Speed Demons. Christoph King is a student. Cameron Swagger Boy King wants to be a chief of police. Come on over here. Which one are you, Christoph? Christoph, how you doing, man? Says you're a student. Where do you go to school at?
C.V. Bevel.
All right, and you're a mama's boy, huh? Is your mama here?
Yes.
She gonna dry you off when you get out the water?
No.
All right. Let me talk to Cameron. How you doing, Cameron?
Cool.
Why they call you Swagger Boy?
Because all the girls come in there to my swagger.
Oh! Wait, hold on. I gotta dust your shoulder off, brother. All right. You ready to play the game?
Yep.
Step in the play area. Cameron Swaggerman King and Christoph King. Step in the play area. All right, now listen, Christoph. You the older brother. You got to guide him through his hole and get to your hole, okay? Can you do that?
Yeah.
Or what? Or you can set him up. Depends on if he's been a good little brother or not. Here we go. Time for the magic words. Show us. 3, 2, 1. Bring out that wall. All right, get him in the right position. Stay in the play area. Now you get it yours. Oh, 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 oh. Give it up for the Speed Demons. Christoph was not fast enough. But Cameron, give it up for me, man. You stayed up there. You want to jump in? No, he's like, no, I'm cool. I'm cool, man. Don't mess up my swagger, man, please.
Technology Enterprises.